In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chart of accounts as a PDF QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online, open a clean print view, and save it as a PDF you can share or archive. First, let's get to the chart of accounts. This is the master list of all the accounts your business uses to track money in and out. So saving a copy is great for audits, onboarding a bookkeeper, or keeping a snapshot for your records. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the top right and click the gear icon for settings. In the menu that opens, select Chart of Accounts. That takes you to the full list of your accounts, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Next, open the print view. You have two good options here. If you want a quick snapshot of what you're seeing on the screen, click the printer icon in the top right. This opens a straightforward print preview of your current list. If you prefer a cleaner report style layout that's easier to read and looks more polished, click Run Report instead. That versions the same list into a standard QuickBooks report format, which often prints more cleanly and is ideal if you plan to share the file with others. Once your preview or report is open, you're ready to save it. Click Print if you want to send it straight to your printer. If you need a digital copy, choose the option to export or save as a PDF. Depending on your browser or print dialog, you may see Save as PDF as a destination in the print window, or an Export as PDF button on the report toolbar. Select that, confirm the file name and location on your computer, and save it where you can find it later. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Take a moment to look over the print preview before saving so you can make sure the account names and types are fully visible and not cut off. If your print dialog allows it, adjusting orientation or scaling can help fit wider lists onto a single page. And if you used Run Report for the cleaner format, you'll typically get consistent spacing and headings that look more professional. That's it. You've opened your chart of accounts, chosen the print-friendly view that works best for you, and saved it as a PDF. Keep that file with your monthly records or share it securely with your accountant when needed. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.